My name is Tanmay. I've been working at Razorpay with the data platform team for more than 5 years. I work as a tech lead with the data platform team and I work primarily on Pinot and Pinot.
I am Anand Anantaraman. I am an associate director. I head the data platform and data science at Razorpay. We take care of the entire data platform, which means that the overall flow, right, once from the source systems, right from the lake and the warehouse and all the systems that interconnects, all that pipelines, all the real-time systems and pipelines is maintained by the data platform team.
So I work primarily with the query layer and the OLAP database team. So what we do is we basically host the infrastructure required for running either offline or real-time analytics for all data analysts or engineers at Razorpay. One of the most important use case we have for real-time is doing analytics and monitoring on the payment success rate metric. Now, why success rate is useful? Because it says at any given point of time how well we are doing. If let's say success rate is down from 80% to 40%, it means we are losing money and our business customers or merchants are also losing money. And we need to be able to monitor and analyze this metric in real time so that we can improve confidence with our customers and so that we also fix issues proactively. We never had true real-time analytics per se before Pinot. We had makeshift solutions which were based around Elasticsearch and Postgres, but in those systems the average data freshness was around 15 to 20 minutes because those were still running as batches. With Pinot, because we also needed upsearch in real time, we went ahead with Pinot and now we have a real-time stack based on Spark streaming and Pinot. So our overall data lake size is more than a petabyte. It's close to 1.5 petabytes, but on Pinot specifically we have around 28 terabytes of data. These are mainly for real-time use cases. And besides Pinot, we also rely on Trino, which is formerly Presto SQL. So recently we have started doing anomaly detection using StarTree's third eye. So one of the use cases that that has unlocked for us after seeing the goodness on third eye is basically we want to automate the whole monitoring internally for success rate and even the communications we share with merchants. We are trying to build a platform based on third eye which will enable zero touch monitoring for our operations teams. Why Apache Pinot? Because at the time when we were evaluating the right OLAP database for use cases, it was the only one where we had fast queries and also real-time upsearch. StarTree manages the Pinot clusters that we use for real-time analytics, both in our customer-facing use cases and also internal use cases. Previously, we used to have self-host our own Pinot clusters, but after we moved to StarTree primarily to get the benefits of off-heap upsearch, which reduced our infrastructure cost by 50%. So for us, success depends on the data freshness and the query latency. We always want to ensure the data freshness on Pinot is less than a minute, and also the queries, the P95 or the P99 query latencies are always less than a second. Working with StarTree team has been amazing. We had engineers directly jump on the incident calls, or even when we had certain integrations that were out of the scope, we had engineers come and help us with this API payloads or during support very quickly.
They intuitively understand the needs, basically. Very, very good to work with. Really prompt customer support, and we are extremely happy to collaborate with them.